In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a page in Google Docs vertically. Starting off, let's dive into the initial step of accessing your Google Docs. The journey begins by navigating to Google Drive. Now, this might seem straightforward, but let's ensure everyone's on the same page. You'll want to sign in with your email and password. If you're already logged into your Google account, Google Drive should greet you with its familiar interface, displaying all your stored documents and folders. Once you're in, the next step is to find and open the document you wish to work on. You might have a plethora of documents lying around, so take your time to locate the specific one you need. Google Docs, as versatile as it is, allows for seamless modifications, and what we're about to do next showcases just one of its nifty features. After opening your document, our next move is to navigate to the Format menu. This might be mundane routine for some, but it's worth noting that the Format menu is your gateway to making your document look exactly how you want it to. Click on Format, located in the top menu bar, to unveil a drop-down filled with formatting options. From this drop-down, our next step requires us to select Columns. This might seem a bit hidden if you're not familiar with the menu layout, but it's right there waiting to transform your document layout. Upon clicking Columns, you'll be faced with a decision: how many columns do you want? Google Docs offers several predefined column layouts. Whether you're looking to create a newsletter, a brochure, or simply want to change the aesthetic of your document, this is where you make that choice. It's like dividing your page into distinct sections vertically, allowing for a neat distribution of content. Select the number of columns that best suits your document's needs. Experimenting here can be quite fun. You can always change it back if you don't like how it looks. Once you've made your selection, Google Docs will automatically adjust your document's layout to reflect your choice. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to splitting your page in Google Docs vertically. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of your document, but also organizes content in a more readable format, especially for documents heavy on text or where you want to present parallel ideas side by side. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're drafting up work documents, creating content for your blog, or designing a small project, knowing how to split your page vertically in Google Docs can add that extra touch of professionalism and creativity. Happy document designing!